Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some important information. This is an update by the company, the owners of Second Splash, on how it's been going and the success since its launch, and some really important statistics in case you're looking to join. So you can join as a free member. There'll be a link in the description. And also a bit later on the video, I'm going to give you all our free resources that we give you to help you build your Second Splash program. And within these free resources, we give you an additional income stream, recurring income stream that's not included in this program. So I'll come to that a bit later on. So I'm live in my Second Splash account, and I'm going to go over here into this one here. It's called admin announcements. Now, this did come through on the 19th of December, but I want to share this with you now because it's really important, some of the information in here, because it shows what the company has done and the product has done since its launch in the month of December. So what you'll see here is in 40 days, the membership grew to 2,924, of which 12% are pro members. Now, they're saying there, what does that mean? Well, what it means is that for every 100 people you refer, you can earn a commission from 12 of them, or for every 8 people you refer, you would earn a commission. So if you're not familiar with the compensation plan, even as a free member, this is just from an income source, not a traffic source, but from an income source. Even as a free member, you can earn monthly recurring commissions. And you can see from these stats here, the company are giving us, the owners are giving us, that for you can earn from the percentage of those that are upgrading. Now, it says here, let's not forget that your commissions are recurring every month for as long as a member stays a pro member, unless they become a lifetime member, of which you will earn up to $210. Now, from a traffic point of view, this is really key. At the time of this writing, we have shown just over 3.4 million splash pages, and free members have to build up credits to message their downline and view splash insights. But it means under 60%, or over 2 million views belong to pro members. So they recommend that you do upgrade to pro. Now, it's not compulsory, and this can be free for life, and I recommend it only upgrading if it's within your budget. But you can see here that a 12% conversion rate, the pro members are receiving more. Then they've come down to what they call a surprising statistic, and this is that pro members received from social media. So the pro members, in other words, visitors to the Splash Rotator are sharing your campaigns. These are the ones with the Facebook or the Twitter icons on the splash pages. So that's a pro. That's actually a pro function. So if you're a free member, you're not going to get the Facebook and Twitter share buttons, and you can see there the actual numbers are quite huge. Now let's talk about commissions, because commissions are both for free and pro members. Now it says here that they've paid out. They've had 2 commission runs, and they've paid out just over $19,000 in commissions, and another commission run worth of 11,000 is coming up in the first week of the new year, which is we're now in 2023. So to ensure you get even more moolah, that's a slang word in Scotland for money. That means they've integrated easy cash for ads into Second Splash. Now that comes under the bonus income, which I'll just come to a bit later on the video. But what you do, it says here, a whopping 17% are participating. So they've seen the sign-ups of easy cash for ads. Easy Cash for Ads is the program that's owned by the Second Splash owners, and it's been going since 2016. And I've been a member since last year. Well, sorry, the year before now, we're just into January. And it says here that in the past 40 days, daily sign-ups of Easy Cash for Ads have gone through the roof. So what that means to you is, I'll just show you this here. I'll show you my Easy Cash for Ads account. So if you decide you want to join Easy Cash for Ads and put that into your bonus income in the Second Splash program back office, then you'll see here how well this converts. So it's converting through the Second Splash funnel. But if you go into view commissions here, then what you'll see is I've earned for 18 months in a row, I've earned commissions $740 into profit with Easy Cash for Ads. So you can not only join Easy Cash for Ads in the back office of Second Splash, you can join Easy Cash for Ads and then you can promote it as a separate product, which is what I do as well. So if you go onto my channel, so you'll see the commissions there for 18 months in a row. If you go onto my channel here, then what you'll see is my Easy Cash for Ads videos and my Easy Cash for Ads. Where are we here? Somewhere. This one here, 740 into profit, and my Easy Cash for Ads playlist as well. So a couple of options there. It's if you join Easy Cash for Ads, you can see that it's converting. The owners of Second Splash are saying that it's converting within the Second Splash funnel, and you can also use that to promote it as a second program, which I do. So if we go back into here and you go into bonus income, I'll just show you where that is, how all this works. Bonus income. If you join Easy Cash for Ads, that explains how the compensation plan works. It's not just referral income, it's also passive income once you get the foundations in place. So when you join Second Splash, watch this video here, and that explains how Easy Cash for Ads works. You just join it through the Second Splash back office there, and you put your username in there and click update, and that will put your Easy Cash for Ads program into the back of your Second Splash back office. So it's a done for you funnel. It's giving you an option for an extra income stream, both referral and passive income. And if I go onto my stats dashboard here, I want to show you. So you'll see commissions there that I've earned from referrals. And I want to show you the viral aspect of the traffic. So it's not just about money with Second Splash. So once you start promoting Second Splash, you'll see here on my splash campaigns, you'll see here how it's gone viral. 4,299 views. So I haven't been really, I've done a couple of posts on Twitter, but I've hardly even posted these. You've got your links here that you can post if you want to do. But I haven't posted really these at all. A couple of posts on Twitter, and I've only got, I think, about 900 followers. So that's 4,000 views there, 4,114 views there, 3,000 views here, and you'll see the click-throughs that I'm getting through to my lead capture page. And so it's absolutely, it's not just an income source, it's also a viral, passive, automated traffic that you're going to get to your splash pages. And then you link from these, when your prospects click on here, then they go through to a lead capture page, so you can generate leads and you can follow up. Let me show you some of the free resources that our team are going to give you. So if you click the link in the description, you can join our team and join Second Splash for free, and you can start to earn monthly commissions if you're at referrals upgrade, and you can start to get some of those viral passive traffic views and clicks. And we're also going to give you this funnel here totally for free. And what it does, it gives you a page, it gives you a funnel, completely done for you. It's just a done for you system, and we're giving you Leads Leap as a free lifetime membership. All you do is join Leads Leap here when you come to this page, and then we give you the share codes. Now these share codes are what you just copy and paste and you put into the back of Leads Leap, and then you can have a page exactly the same as this. And then in the video here, this video tutorial, we teach you how to just set this page up by copy and pasting a few clicks in the back of Leads Leap, and your affiliate link will go in the back of here. So when your Second Splash referral joins Leads Leap, you can even earn monthly recurring commissions, even as a free member of Leads Leap. So I've given you an additional income stream on top of the Second Splash funnel as well. And the Leads Leap tool, totally free, free as a lifetime membership. I'll just show you my dashboard here and just show you that you can earn commissions with Leads Leap. So as a free member, you'd earn 25% monthly recurring commissions. And you'll see here, I'm live in my dashboard here. If we go into there, I'll just show you that I'm live in my account, and you'll see here my total earnings. These are the recurring income earnings with Leads Leap. I started out as a free member, and I was starting to earn my 25% recurring income from my referrals. You'll see 9.95 has just come in today in the last 24 hours. But again, with the Leads Leap funnel we give you in the Second Splash funnel, we're giving you an additional income stream, not just an additional income stream, but all the free tools and all the traffic you're going to get from Leads Leap, and you're going to get all these free tools that you can use. You get every tool you need to build your business online with the free lifetime Leads Leap membership. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support me and help me with the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got nearly 900 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash or easy cash for ads, or even Leads Leap, or how this funnel works, it's very, very simple. You're just going to promote one link once you get it all set up, and I can mentor you one-to-one if you want some help. But any questions, please leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'm going to put my direct email address in the description if you want to contact me direct via email. So the link in the description will give you access to join our team, and then you can set up a free Second Splash account. So just set your account up and then go into your back office and start to get some free viral passive traffic with Second Splash. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video, and bye for now.